Hello everyone, welcome to our next video to explain Linux Vim command. Vim command is used to edit text files in the Linux command window. If you not install Vim on your server, use this command to install. Using Vim command you can create, edit, save, copy, move and replace the text in your file. To open up your text file, just type Vim and your file name and enter. When you open the file, it is displayed like this. And move the cursor using arrow keys. Now press I to edit the text. After edit the text, press escape button to exit the editing mode. Press colon and W to save the text. Press colon and Q to quit. Press colon W and Q to save and quit. If you want to quit a file without saving, use the force quit command colon Q and exclamation mark. These are the basic commands of the Vim. In addition to that, you can use X to cut the characters. Press U to undo the edits you done before. Press double D to delete whole line. If you need to delete a word, press D and W. If you need to copy a line, press double Y. If you need to copy a word, press Y and W. Press P to paste you copied before. Thanks for watching the video. Please thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.